Today I'm going to show you a coin that has been around for a while and it still has no competition in sight. So you want to see that? Let's get into it. What's up guys, my name is Aaron and welcome to NEXT Crypto. Hope all of you are doing well out there. So the coin I'm talking about is called Telcoin right there. And if you haven't heard about it, it's a really interesting crypto which is based in mobile phone telecommunications. Okay, so how it works is basically you send payment via the blockchain but through a mobile phone network, and that is really cool. I can tell you right now there's just no one else in sight in terms of competition. There's other ones I could show you, but they're just nowhere close to Telcoin. All right, and I just think that it is a great opportunity what people are missing, so I'm here to tell you about that today. So let's get it. So here you go, this is Telcoin and it's send money smarter. So Telcoin creates low cost, high quality financial products for every mobile phone user in the world. And I'm not exaggerating, right? So that is the mission. And here you go, there's some stuff that they already have out. And so far I've been very impressed with the amount of stuff they've actually managed to build. So for example, if you wanted to send dollars to loads of different countries around the world, then you can do it, okay? And they've actually got it for like Philippines, Kenya, and a whole bunch of different places. So if you're really thinking about, banking the unbanked, then this is a way to do it. And it is very much one of the user cases of M-Pesa, if you don't know what that is, and I'll show you that in a second. But since I've been in this project, I've really been impressed with them. They're just coming out with so many different things and they really are building and they are living up to their names. And there is actually a lot of big people behind this project who are in the telecommunication industry. I don't actually have them to hand right now, but I can tell you when I invested in this ICO, that is what sold me, the people and the team behind it. But for example, here you go, you can see TelX, the decentralized liquidity engine for Telcoin platform. So they've got a decentralized liquidity engine, really cool. And then look, you've got an app as well, so trade digital assets on DeFi. So you can literally use the app on the App Store and Google Play to do transactions, and it's very cool. They are located all around the world, so literally Japan, USA, Malaysia, Hong Kong, the UK, Canada, Lithuania, Australia, Singapore, and yeah, they're actually a global company, so a big company actually at that. I actually managed to find some of the team, so we're going to go through the main big boys in this project. Okay, so we've got Paul right here, and obviously he's been working for Telcoin for 6 years, so just showing you how old this project is. And obviously I've been around in crypto since this project's been around from the very beginning, and he actually was the founder and CEO of Mobius Wireless Solutions, to a really big company as well in the mobile telecommunications industry. And then we have Rajesh, okay, and he's very interesting as well. So he's obviously been here from the very beginning, and yeah, he used to be AP head of merchants at MasterCard, so he has really good background as well. Yes, I actually think the project is very good, and I still think it's very good. So the only competition that I could find inside of crypto is probably World Mobile Token right here, and let me show you that real quick. So here we go, it's World Mobile Token, and it currently has a market cap of 45 million. I mean, yeah, and it hasn't really had any time to pump or anything like that, but it's a bit newer of a coin than Telcoin. In terms of the project is power the unstoppable mobile networks, obviously in the same niche. But the only thing I didn't like about this is they are basically using like a series of blimps around the country to try and give people mobile phone networks, and obviously to be able to make transactions through the blimps. I just think that's a big overhead for a country to invest in, and yeah, if it's not through the existing mobile phone network, I'm just not really sure if I buy this one, right? But maybe you feel differently, and let me know if I'm misjudging this project. So that's the crypto competition, right? And obviously I think that Telcoin has got that covered. The main competition though is probably outside of crypto. So what is that? And that is M-Pesa. So let's show you. So here is M-Pesa, and if you don't know anything about it, it is owned by Vodafone and Safaricom, okay? And this is actually quite an old technology which has been around before crypto actually. And what it actually does, it's very big in Africa, and people use text messages or the mobile phone network to send money, right? And yeah, it's not a decentralized currency or anything like that. It's a centralized currency that they use and be able to send money. And this basically helps people who own mobile phones but don't have banks. So yeah, very interesting technology. You should definitely look into it if you haven't heard of it. One of the reasons I think that M-Pesa is very interesting and we can use as a benchmark is because they've actually got that market down in Africa, and Telcoin is trying to capitalize on that market cap. So what is the market cap of M-Pesa? So Safaricom is the main owner, and it is 715 billion, but it is Kenyan rupees, I think. So we're just going to quickly do a conversion, and I've done that already for you. So it is actually 5 billion in market cap, okay? And if we was to actually look at Telcoin right now, we are 92 million. So, you know, we could definitely get a lot of gains out of this. So let's have a look at that. And if we was to do 92 million times by 55, that would give us 5 billion in market cap. And if you look at the market cap, what we got to before, it was 2.83. And I think that's actually quite realistic. So every time more and more money comes into a coin, if it's really good, obviously, then you'll see the market cap go even further up and the price. So that would mean that we could do really well. And you could 55x from here with Telcoin. So what do you guys think of Telcoin? I'm dragging this one out of the dirt because obviously it's an older coin, but I can just let you know of holding this coin for so long that yeah, the team have never let me down and very trustworthy, and they have actually built so much different things. You can see the different countries they are actually providing services in, and there's many more to come. So I think the next bull market, this will be another coin that yeah, I would hold again. So just bringing it to you guys. Let me know down in the comments if you know any other competitors to this coin, or what do you think of it. Just let me know and we can have a chat. If you like this video, then consider giving it a like, because I'm a small channel and it will really help me grow. If trying to research these things are quite difficult, well, that is fine. Don't worry, I've got you covered. Look at this project right here and this project right here, because you will not be sorry and we will be at the moon together. Okay, and if I don't see you, I'll see you at the top. Bam.